Hey there, I'll do a quick video just showing this retainer glass door. So, oops, if we go into the doors here, okay, right here. So here we are. In this door here, go ahead and just click it. I'll just show you the panel here real quick. This is the front of the door here. Go to operations. And you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just take a look at the first tool group here. It's right here. The first tool path here is my shaker glass. And that's right here. The other one here is the custom tool path. And that is here, the glass slot only. So they're both already locked into this door. So I'll just show you the door here. Sorry. So you can see there, I have an 1/8 inch setup. It's kind of hard to see in this viewer. 1/8 inch from here. This is a 5/16 face. 1/8 inch to the slot. So I'll show you the panel tool groups quick. Let's jump into our optimizer here. Shaker glass, retainer standard. This is the standard pocket for the back of the glass door here. And the reason this is wider because I have to get this slot path in here too. So you'll see in a minute, you're running this path and also running this slot only path. So this will come second. So just confirm that when you pull that door in, that this is coming in second. Otherwise, you're going to crash this thing and you'll be in trouble. And this is a 1.5 inch cutter here, so if you want to put a different tool in there, you can modify that however you like. Hope that helps you guys. Thanks.